Big yellow robot, big yellow robot, big yellow robot toy review. Big yellow robot, big yellow robot, big yellow robot just for you. He'll come around when it's time to play. You're gonna laugh the day away. He's gonna bring you something new. He's got a robot ducky too. Big yellow robot, big yellow robot, big yellow robot at the door. Big yellow robot, big yellow robot, big yellow robot just for you.
Everybody, welcome to another episode of Big Yellow Robot Toy Review. And today we have a special guest, it's Santa Claus. Thank you for coming down on my North Pole to see us today. That's so cool. Santa, Kisses is one of my favorite seasons in the year.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, it's mine too.
But it's also a time of year where you get to be nice to everyone. And you celebrate Jesus.
That's right, we celebrate Jesus' birthday.
That's why we get presents.
Mm-hmm.
Well, presents isn't the best part. Celebrating Jesus is. That's my favorite part.
Cool, high five. Oh, good answer.
And now for an important message.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You guys ready?
Yeah!
Hang on, here we go.
And now back to your regularly scheduled programming.
Hey, are you guys excited? Guess what? I'm excited too because I get to share some special toys with you guys.
Yay! I'm so excited!
Are you guys ready to see what I have in my toy bag?
Yes!
Okay, let's see. There.
That's fun.
Are you ready to open it? Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go!
Wow, that's a robot! I wonder if it's going to be the robot's cousin.
I bet you it is. Hey, you know what this is?
Yeah?
This is a Rainbrace Smart Robot. And look, it can do all kinds of things. It has infrared remote control. And guess what? It's one of the top 100 toys on Amazon this year.
What in the what?
That means it's going to be one of the best toys for kids this year.
I'm
What do
going
you
to
think?
jump up into space and fly back down.
The servant.
Well, it could be a servant.
Yeah, but it can't hold hot plates and cook stuff.
No, you can't hold hot plates like Gary. You can't eat a bunch of hot dogs like Gary.
Yep.
Doesn't even have a mouth.
Well, he's got a mask. Look, right there's his mask. You see his shield. See, look, and he got these special lights so he can see better.
Well,
Right there on his mask.
oh.
That's pretty cool, huh? And look, he's blue just like your shirt.
Oh, yay!
Okay, you ready to open it up and see what he's like inside?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, here we go. Let me see.
Oh, this way.
Oh, that
I was
way.
about to punch it open.
Okay, hold the box. Hold the box right here. Okay, pull
What?
it out. Pull it out.
It's like it's in a grave. And then it's
Get out. It's tight.
That's the instructions.
Oh, whoa. There's a remote control. I didn't even know that.
Can you get the remote control out? Then we have to read the instructions to figure out how to get them to work.
look, you can collect them.
I am number 3 Robocop. I'm Super Sans ability, able to sense your special order.
Ooh.
What's this do? Ooh.
Let's dance just for fun.
He can dance.
Oh, wait. Look, he follows my hand. Whoa. Look, he follows my hand.
I command you to stop.
Look, he follows
No, he's dancing.
Look. Oh, no. He follows your hand when you put it in front of him. Look.
You're right, kids. He's got infrared sensors, so he'll follow your hands and watch your hands' gestures.
No.
Oh, I saved his life.
What's this?
Master, let me tell you some interesting popular sciences. Master, do you know what a universe is? Universe is a general name of works of God. It has neither boundary nor bottom, while having no beginning or end. Remember, if you want to know more,
He follows the remote control.
So it goes forward, that goes backwards, that turns left, and that one turns right. Let's go forward. Now you can have him go back.
This is Robot Jones. Ooh, Robot Jones.
But look at all his eyes. Look at all the lights for his eyes. Go forward.
Hello.
This is such a great toy, and it's not that expensive. And so it means it's good for everybody. Watch.
Trap it backwards and forwards. And advance, I can advance.
No, have him go backwards. Have him go backwards.
Oh. There's a lot of buttons and there's so many features that you can do with it. And don't forget, it takes 2 AAA batteries.
And the robot charges with a USB card, so it's really easy to get it going. Hello, Mr. Robot. My name's Pixie. Oh. It's okay.
Come on.
singing is always my hobby. Good habits about learning.
Good habits are about learning. Did you hear what he said? Wow. That is so exciting.
He knows how to learn. He's been in robot school.
Good habits about politeness. 1. Knock at the door before entering others' room. 2. Use polite language.
Please and thank you.
Nah.
Now pass the outer stuff with both hands. 4. Stand and sit properly. 5.
Sit properly.
Receive guests politely. 6.
That is so neat.
Don't rummage others' things. Do you know, we should be polite and good kids.
Wow, he's teaching us all kinds of important stuff, isn't he?
Yeah, he's like a teacher.
Yeah, he's pretty smart for a robot.
Yeah, can I try Santa?
Sure,
What does this
you
do?
can share.
Let's dance just for fun.
I want you to turn. You manky crew.
Whoa. I hope Gary doesn't get jealous.
Let's go.
I put in music. Okay. Okay.
Not funny.
I don't like this.
E-I-O.
With an out, out here and an out, out there. Here, out there, out everywhere. Out, out, oh, McDonald's had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O.
Oh, McDonald had a farm.
Okay, quit singing or stop.
Okay.
Okay, let's turn it off.
He's not a good listener. Let's do the manners again. He needs to learn his manners. What is that? Hey, this robot is so much fun to play with. It could be a servant. And it even teaches you manners. And it moves around and you can dance. And even teaches you table manners.
This robot was one of my favorite toys ever in the whole wide world. This would be a perfect Christmas gift.
Yeah, I wish I had one.
My favorite things that the robot did is when he talks, when he teaches people his manners. He said, "Don't ruin your manners," after he taught us the manners. Thank you, everybody. We'll see you next time.
Big yellow robot, big yellow robot, big yellow robot toy review. Big yellow robot, big yellow robot, big yellow robot just for you.